हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। दोस्तों, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे स्टीम बॉयलर से रिलेटेड ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशंस एंड कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण हो सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन में स्टीम बॉयलर के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन 15 कह रहा है कि यूनिट यूज विद पल्वराइज कोल फायर्ड बॉयलर्स इन ऑर्डर टू रिड्यूस एटमॉस्फेरिक पोल्यूशन। Question 15 says that units used with pulverized coal fired boilers in order to reduce atmospheric pollution. The right answer is क्वेश्चन में 15 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा दैट इज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक precipitators. Units used with pulverized coal fired boilers in order to reduce atmospheric pollution. The right answer is electrostatic precipitators. Next question 16. The coal and air pass directly from the pulverizer to the burner, and the desired firing rate is regulated by the ratio of pulverizing. The right answer is direct fired system. The right answer is direct fired system. Question number 17. The type of pulverizer adaptable to highly abrasive fuels having high silica content. The right answer is slow speed rotating drum type. The next question number 18. It mixes and directs the flow of fuel and air so as to ensure rapid ignition and complete combustion. The right answer is 18 का right answer हो जाएगा that is burner. Right answer is burner. Next question number 19. Air initially mixed with the fuel to obtain rapid ignition and act as to convey for the fuel. The right answer is that question 19 का right answer हो जाएगा that is your primary air. Right answer is primary air. The next question number 20, that is air introduced to the burner outside of the primary air ports in order to ensure complete combustion. The right answer is secondary air. Next question number 21. A type of atomizer used for providing an operating range of 10 to 1 in oil burner. The right answer is steam and air type. Next question number 22. The burner tips in corner fired boiler are tilted to control dash. The right answer is steam temperature. Next question 23. A furnace designed to burn low as fusion coals and to retains most of the coal as in the slag. Question number 23 is cyclone. Next question number 24. The pressure limit up to which drum type natural or associated circulation boiler are restricted because of circulation of steam separation characteristics. The right answer is 183 kgf per centimeter square. The right answer is 183 kgf per centimeter square. The next question number 25 says that a component to add heat to steam after evaporation in furnace. The right answer is superheater. That is right answer is superheater. Component to heat a component to add heat to steam after evaporation in furnace, that is the right answer is superheater. Question 26. Component to remove heat from the moderately low temperature combustion gases and superheat reheat section of the boiler unit. The right answer is economizer. The right answer is economizer. Next question number 27 is that type of air heater in which the stationary metal parts from a separating boundaries between the heating and the cooling fluids, and the heat passes by the conduction through the metal wall. The right answer is reci recuperative. The right answer. The right answer is RECUPERATIVE. ATIV. The type of air heater in which the stationary metal parts from separating boundaries between the heating and cooling fluids, the heat passes by the conduction through the metal wall. The right answer is reciprocative. The next question is that question 28. Next question 28. Type of air heater in which heat transferring members are moved alternatively through the gas and air streams, undergoing successive heating and cooling cycles and transferring heat by internal storage capacity of the member. The right answer is regenerative. The type of air heater in which the heat transferring members are moved alternatively through the gas and air stream, undergoing successive heating and cooling cycle and transferring heat by the internal storage capacity of the member. The right answer is that regenerating. The next question 29. Circulation produced in boiler by the difference in the densities of the water in the unheated downcomers and the steam water mixture in the heated tube. The right answer is natural. Question 30. In associated circulation type of boilers, the quantity of water pumped, that is usually in comparison to the amount of steam evaporated, is the right answer is 4 to 6 times. The next question 31. Boiler requiring no steam drum and using relatively small diameter tubes. The right answer is that one-stroke type. Question 32. Effect caused by the difference in densities of flue gases in chimney and surrounding air. The right answer is 32, that is your stack. Question 132, that is stack. Question 33. The greatest factor in the corrosion of steel surface in contact with water in boiler is dash. The right answer is dissolved oxygen. Question 134. Dissolved oxygen is removed from feed water for boiler in. The right answer is deaerator. The next question 135. Corrosion in boiler is prevented or minimized by maintaining dash boiler water. The right answer is that alkaline. Question 36. The pH of water sample can be determined accurately by the measurement of its electrical potential. Question 37. The elimination of hardness in boiler water is necessary to prevent. The right answer is that scale. The elimination of hardness in boiler water is necessary to prevent is dash is scale. Thanks for watching and sharing.